Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Nuella. If you're new here, welcome to the family. If you're an old subscriber, welcome back. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved my DIY kinky hair crochet braids with caniculon hair. If you watched my unboxing video, you are going to see the hair I did there. I did that hair myself, and the crochet braid I also did it myself, which I'm going to be showing you guys right now. Alright, if you have not seen my unboxing video, I'm going to be leaving that unboxing video somewhere here. You can click it to go and watch it to see what the hair looks like. I'll also leave the unboxing video in the description box down below, so don't forget to watch it, and don't forget to watch this video to the end to understand what I did. So guys, I want to incorporate this new method in my videos. I want to always feature two subscribers that commented in my last video. So one of the subscribers I'm going to be featuring is the first person to comment on my last video, and the second subscriber I'm going to be featuring is the comment I feel like I liked most, that is the best comment. So in my last video, the New Year goals, New Year Eve, the first person to comment was Ijoma Reactions, and she said, "Me and you sis, 2020 must be the year of all our goals." That was the first person to comment, and the best comment I liked, like my favorite comment, was from Ichie Elizabeth. "My 2020 goals is to generally grow all year round and be the best." So guys, I'll always do this in all my videos, so you guys should try to engage more in my videos, be the first to comment so that you'll be featured. And don't forget to subscribe, guys, it's free of charge, and like this video if you give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay guys, keep on watching and don't forget to watch till the end. Every detail matters. Love you guys. So first of all, I'm going to start off with the thread. I'm going to wrap the thread around the chair. Then I'm going to use my 1 pack of expression braiding hair. I used the color black, the color 1B. So right now I'm going to take out the braiding hair, and I'm going to cut the braiding hair into 2 equal parts. After cutting the braiding hair into 2 equal parts, right now I'm picking the hair because this hair is not pre-stretched hair, so I have to stretch the hair myself. And what I'm doing now, I'm trying to stretch the hair. After doing this, I'm going to divide the hair into 2 equal parts because I want to work in 2 equal parts. I can't work with a lot of hair on my hair, and as you can see, when I start combing the hair, I start from the bottom and work my way up. After that, I'm going to tie the hair and keep it aside, set it aside. I'm going to do the exact same thing to the other hair. So right now I'm going to take some part of the caniculon hair. I'm going to take that little part of caniculon hair and take it over the thread. And after I've taken it over the thread, or is this in between, I'm going to make a circle and loop the hair. Guys, this is difficult to explain, but if you watch, you're going to actually understand. Just watch it to understand it, and I'm going to do this 2 times for you guys to understand what I did, and I'm going to go ahead and do that to all the other hair. Right now, the caniculon hair is finished, and remember the other half we kept. I'm just going to use it, and I'm going to make the rest of it like this. And what I'm going to do next is that I'm going to use my comb, and I'm going to brush the hair to make it smooth, and then we are going to get into the main thing. So first of all, you're going to get your straw. As you can see, I have my straw. Then you're going to take some parts of the caniculon hair. I used 2 of the sections. So what I do here is I twist the hair and turn it around the straw. So you guys are going to notice I left a space before I started. That is to actually secure the hair so that it won't unravel. So all I am going to do right now is to bend this straw over, bend over the straw, and then I'm going to secure that with the bobble pin so that it won't unravel. Then after doing that, I'm going to just continue twisting and turning the hair around the straw. Hey, this is difficult. Anyways, I'm going to keep twisting and turning the hair around the straw until I get to the bottom. When I get to the bottom, I'm going to do the exact same thing I did at the top. I'm just going to turn the straw again, like bend the straw over, and I'm going to use my bobble pin to secure it. Guys, please, if you guys don't understand what I just said, just watch the video. Really, if you watch the video, you're going to really understand what I did. So I'm just going to play this step again. I'm going to do it like twice for you guys to watch and understand. So first of all, you want to take your straw, make a space before you start twisting the hair and turning it. So basically you have to twist the hair itself, just twist it before turning it on the straw so that you're going to get a better definition. And after that, secure it with a bobble pin at the top so that it won't unravel. And then you just keep twisting and turning the hair until you get to the very bottom of it. Once the hair is finished at the bottom, all you want to do is to bend the straw again and secure it with another bobble pin. That's just it, guys. Really, I really hope you guys understand. This is my first time trying to explain something to someone like this, and I'm really not good at explaining. I'm very sorry for that. But once you guys just watch the video, you're going to understand. How many times have I said that? Anyways, I'm going to just let you guys watch. I'm going to do this to all this hair, and remember I take 2 little sections of the hair, and I'm going to do this. Is a lot of work actually, guys. Like, my hand was aching me a lot twisting and turning. It's really not easy, but I'm going to do that to all the other hair. And right now, what I'm doing right now is that I'm cutting the flyaways. Like, I'm using my scissors to cut the flyaways from the hair, because this is caniculon hair and it obviously has flyaways. So I'm just going to use my scissors, cut the flyaways so that it's going to look smoother. Is it smoother or smoother? Hey. So that the hair is going to look smoother. And after that, all I do is that I'm just going to cut the thread, like just what I'm doing right now. I'll cut the thread, and this is what the hair actually looks like up close. So right now I'm just going to put that into a bowl. When I put it into a bowl, I just use my moisturizer. I put my moisturizer, my hair moisturizer, my normal hair moisturizer, like, I also put it inside the bowl, and then I add hot water. Now I put this hair moisturizer to reduce the freezing of the hair. And right now I'm going to use something to make sure that all the hair enters into the hot water so that I'll get my definition. And after that, I'm just going to remove the hair from the hot water and let it to dry. After that, right now, guys, what I'm doing is that I'm just removing the bobble pin. After removing all the bobble pin, all I do is just to unravel the hair. And can you see that definition? Can you see the definition? Like, this hair, it turned out gorgeous. Like, if you watched my unboxing video, you're going to know the hair I'm talking about. This hair is like, I was like, okay. so I can do something like this. Okay, guys, I actually recommend that you guys try this. So right now I finished unraveling all the hair. This is what it looks like, and I'm just going to unravel that quickly. The hair, I'm just like going to separate it into two, so that you guys are going to see what it looks like when you separate the hair into two. Oh my god, absolutely gorgeous. Like, I was so proud of myself. Like, I was so happy. I was like, my mama gave birth to me very well. Guys, that is it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment to stand a chance to be featured in my videos. And also don't forget to watch the next video, because I'm going to be showing you guys how I install this hair in the next video. And subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's free of charge. All right, guys.